So over the years, I've been asked the same exact question time and time again, and it's a really fair question about the factory store. Regardless of whatever brand, as you know, there's a lot of brands these days that have factory stores. And unfortunately, the concept of the factory store is really deceptive. So the whole idea behind this is okay, so a factory store is where the regular store, quote, regular, takes their overruns, their runoffs, the additional inventory that maybe they couldn't sell in their regular stores, and they put them in the factory or outlet stores. And that's actually not the case. So a lot of people, if you do love a particular brand, whatever it might be, Nike, Banana Republic, New Balance, J. Crew, the list goes on and on. If you basically look at what's sold in a factory or outlet store versus what's sold in the regular store, you'll notice that the merchandise is actually fairly different. It really is. It's not really all that similar as much as people think it might be. The quality, first of all, unfortunately, is different. The sizing is also unfortunately different. You could take a J. Crew or Banana Republic men's shirt that is slim fit, extra slim fit, and then if you find a extra slim fit shirt at the outlet J. Crew or outlet Banana Republic, it's simply not going to fit the same. It's just not. And you'll notice that the entire assortment is just a little bit different. Are there exceptions to the rule? Yeah, there are, but maybe about only 10-15% of the overall merchandise assortment in an outlet store really resembles what you'll find in the regular store. The whole idea behind an outlet store is actually pretty simple. It's a new target market. So an outlet store is simply another store. In other words, so you've got Gap and then you've got Banana Republic, right? So what does Banana Republic do in terms of the differentiation between Gap? Well, they more or less sell the same type of thing, but they're trying to sell a higher end of product with Banana Republic, and they're trying to sell it to a different target market. That's exactly what they're doing with the factory stores. With the factory store of J. Crew or Banana Republic, they're selling Banana Republic, quote, branded product, but what they're doing is that they're targeting a different demographic. They're targeting a different market. And by the way, the merchandise that you'll find in these factory stores is brand new, fresh merchandise that is made specifically for those factory stores. Are you getting some type of deal because it's cheaper to go to a Banana Republic or a Nike factory store or a New Balance factory store as opposed to, the regular branded store? Sure it is, but you're not getting the deal that you think you're getting. The idea is that, it's coming across as though it's a closeout. It's not a closeout. A closeout would imply that it's the original merchandise that you're getting, and it's not. And maybe you've had the same experience. And so in some ways, I'm not knocking the factory store, but it's just simply not reflective of what people's perception really is and what they think it's supposed to be. So send me your comments and questions, and each week you'll get a chance to win a copy of one of my books. Your choice, either my book on presentation skills or business writing skills.